Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today because listen, we are officially entering uncharted territory. The digital landscape is shifting under our feet, and the pace of change, it's only getting faster. From AI agents completely taking over customer service to just the overwhelming flood of new platforms, figuring out the perfect strategy to actually generate revenue can honestly feel like an impossible task. But today, we're going to break down the exact strategies you need to navigate all this overwhelm and really discover some massive new revenue avenues.
Okay, let's dive into this. Whenever there's massive change like with AI, the marketing game completely resets. Think about that for a second. When the marketing game resets, all the old rules are just thrown right out the window. The fundamental truth of 2026 and beyond is this: every single business is now a media company. And what that means is the smaller players, the agile, small business owners, the creators, you are suddenly handed this massive, unprecedented advantage. You can adapt quickly and monetize attention way before the giant, clunky corporations can even pivot.
So here is our roadmap for today. We're going to cover the new social media rules, AI-enabled creative workflows, the arrival of the monetization era, agentic social commerce tailwinds, and finally, premium storytelling pillars. Let's get right into it.
Part 1. The new social media rules and adapting to the reset.
Moving right along to Part 2, AI-enabled creative workflows, clearing space for creativity.
And this brilliantly illustrates a huge misconception out there right now. We have all seen that robotic, sanitized content, right? Where someone basically outsourced their entire brain to an algorithm and it just feels completely soulless. Well, the winning strategy today is actually AI-enabled creativity. The best creators out there use AI purely to eliminate the boring, redundant tasks. Things like heavy research, topic mining, formatting data. By outsourcing all that busy work, they clear massive space on their calendar to actually sit down and be incredibly authentic and human.
So let's look at exactly how you do this. Step 1. You jump into a tool like sandcastles.ai and pull data on the top-performing videos in your specific niche from, say, the last 3 months. You're exporting crucial metrics like outlier scores and engagement rates. Step 2, you literally just feed that raw CSV data directly into Claude Cowork. Step 3, you prompt Claude to analyze those transcripts, cluster the top topics, and generate some fresh hooks based on formats that are already validated. And then Step 4, well, this is the magic. This is where you inject your unique, creative human take. You don't let AI do the thinking for you, you let it give you a data-backed hit list. This keeps you entirely in the loop for the actual creative reaction, making sure your content never, ever feels stale.
All right, Part 3, the monetization era arrives, and the evolution of social platforms.
Let's move to the timeline and see how this builds. Between 2005 and 2020, we had social media 1.0. It was very connection-first, but honestly, incredibly hard to monetize unless you were a massive celebrity. Then, from 2020 to 2025, we entered social media 2.0. That brought us the For You feeds, the whole TikTokification of content, and the start of some decent affiliate mechanics. But right now, we are crossing into 2026 and beyond, which is social commerce 3.0. In this era, the sheer value of knowing how to generate attention is going to multiply 5 to 10 times. Why? Because the actual monetization rails are finally built directly into the platforms.
Okay, just look at this number, $64 billion. Let that sink in. That is the jaw-dropping global revenue that flowed through TikTok Shop in 2025 alone. This isn't just some silly little internet trend. This is a massive, highly lucrative channel, and it absolutely proves the sheer financial magnitude of this new era of social commerce.
Which brings us to Part 4, agentic social commerce tailwinds, the 4 forces driving monetization. We are currently being pushed forward by 4 specific tailwinds that are totally rewriting how small businesses should invest their time and capital online. First up, the launch of Instagram Shops. Now, unlike earlier platforms, Instagram brings this sort of peak taste vibe and Apple Pay ease, where you can link up to 30 products right inside a video. Second, we have agentic automation, which is huge. Third, dramatically lowered production costs. Think about this. It used to be that building a brand required massive traditional marketing budgets, huge capital expenditures, savage operating teams. Today, those entry costs are basically dropping towards zero. You can reallocate what used to be this giant ad budget into agile, high ROI social commerce investments. We're literally about to see 100 times more creator-led brands. And fourth, the near future of AI visual recognition. Viewers will literally be able to click directly on a product inside a video to buy it, even if it wasn't formally tagged by the creator. It's wild.
Let's actually double-click on that second tailwind for a second. Agentic social commerce. Imagine AI agents living natively inside Instagram or Facebook. They're handling your DM selling, your analytics attribution, so you know exactly who to retarget, and your outbound outreach, all without you lifting a finger. Meta actually quietly acquired an AI agent company called Manus for $2 billion just to build this out. And because of this automation, how we measure success has completely changed. You absolutely have to outline new key performance indicators. We are abandoning basic vanity metrics like views. Instead, we're shifting our KPIs to deep analytic retargeting, automated conversion rates, and automated customer acquisition costs, all driven by these AI DM agents.
Finally, Part 5, Premium Storytelling Pillars and How Holding Attention Builds Loyalty.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this stark contrast. The old playbook, the one full of overstimulating edits, super fast cuts, constantly chasing whatever trending audio is popping off, it was basically trying to hijack your central nervous system and just give you a headache. Well, that strategy is dead. Supply and demand have shifted. The winning strategy today is all about intentional pacing, narrative-driven world-building, and real stories. High-end consumer brands and the really successful creators are pivoting hard to cinematic, deeply intentional content.
So, to actually execute this, you've got to master 5 pillars of premium storytelling. We're talking characters, pacing, narrative arcs, world building, and tension. And listen, it literally does not matter if you're just doing a raw, unfiltered yap directly to your phone camera or if you're producing a highly cinematic, episodic show. The underlying principles dictate your success. Mastering these 5 components is exactly how you take fleeting attention, turn it into deep loyalty, and eventually turn those viewers into eager buyers.
So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a really provocative question to ponder. As we enter this incredible new era of social commerce 3.0, will you let AI do your thinking or just your research? I highly encourage every small business owner and creator listening right now, embrace these new AI tools purely to scale your research and your reach, while fiercely protecting your authentic human voice. Because at the end of the day, that is where the true value lies. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this sparked some massive ideas for your own strategy. And honestly, I cannot wait to see what you all build in 2026.